kitchen. My name is Aran, she is Yoko, and he is Oli. In this channel you will learn how to prepare the most typical Spanish recipes. So if you like Spanish cuisine, don't forget to subscribe, and also you can activate the bell. So today I want to share with you a recipe that is so easy and I think you will love it. Today let's make mejillones a la marinera. So don't miss this video and let's get started with the ingredients. For this recipe we need 1 kilogram of mussels, half an onion, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 teaspoon of paprika. I have used half sweet and half spicy, parsley, 2 bay leaves, and 1 glass of white wine. Let's start with the most entertaining task. Let's clean the mussels. First, we will remove the birds from the side with a knife. In this step, we have to be careful and discard the ones that are not alive. If you find any open mussels, give them a few blobs and wait for them to close. Here you can see it again. I give it a few blobs and you can see that it closes slowly. If it doesn't close, you have to throw it away, okay? The next step is to scrape them on the outside with a knife to leave them as clean as you can. Pass them to a pot and add a little salt, a splash of water, and 2 bay leaves. Cover and let them steam for a couple of minutes. When most of the mussels are open, they are ready. Now we are going to separate the shells. In a pot, add only the shell that has the mussel. If any of the mussels are still closed, throw them away. We are going to strain the broth with a strainer of this type, okay? And we are going to fill a glass of the same size as that of the wine. Set aside. We are going to peel and chop half an onion, and in a frying pan add olive oil and fry the onion until it's a little golden. Add the chopped parsley and add the flour. Cook for a few minutes. Add the broth from the mussels and the wine. Add the paprika and mix well. Let it cook for about 5 minutes. Pour our sauce over the mussels and let it cook for a few minutes. And it's ready, guys! Carefully transfer them to a dish or plate and pour the sauce over them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked so much this recipe. As you can see, it's very easy to make and they are delicious. So we will see you next Wednesday in the next video. Bye bye!